Carl here. This is, I don't know, my 5th or 6th video diary entry. I don't know, I had kind of a strange day. I mean, maybe it's this therapy I'm in, I don't know. These damn meetings. It's a little disconcerting, feeling a little, I don't know, a little depressed, I guess. I haven't watched any pornography for 4 or 5 days now, and I have to say, I'm thinking there might be a bit of a thing there. A bit of an issue, perhaps. So, to keep my eye on it, I'll, keep my eye on it, I guess. I don't know, I'm not quite sure how I'm feeling. A little discombobulated.
Carl! Where's the Entenmann's?
On top of the fridge, Mother! So, I don't know, maybe I talked to my therapist about moving out of here. She actually brought it up. I've been here a while.
You want I should pack some of the lamb kebabs for your lunch?
I'm eating at Wendy's tomorrow, Mother. No thank you. Well, I don't know. I'm not really much sure what I have to say tonight. I'm feeling a little strange. I might hit the gym. My gym stays open pretty late. I get a workout in. All right, that's all for tonight.